Let us graph this inequality x greater than 3. That's it, just x greater than 3. Okay, in this case, as usual, I follow the same steps. The first step is to graph the equation part, x equal 3. You just convert this to equation, x equal to 3. You should know the graph of this. This is a very famous equation, x equal 3. How does this look like? Suppose this is my xy plane. How does x equal 3? This is a very special line. Vertical or horizontal? This is a vertical. This is a vertical line, x equal to 3. So if this is 1, 2, 3, then it should be, this is the line here. This is the line. This is x equal 3. Okay? Any question about that? Yes, it should be a dotted line. Why it should be a dotted line? Because it should be a dotted line because this equal does not exist in the original inequality. If there is equal here, we'll leave it like that, solid. But there is no equal here, which means the equation is not part of the solution. It is a border, but it is not part of the solution. So that's why we have to make this dotted like this. Okay, so I'm going to erase, some parts of it like that. Okay, just to make it dotted. It should be dotted line. It should not be solid line. Okay, so that is the idea of, how do I know the difference between if there is equation or if there is equality here or not equality. If there is equation or if the equation is part of the inequality, then you leave this solid. But if there is no equal here, then you make it, a dotted line like this. Okay. Type. Now the next step. Another point here. Some people may forget that the x equal 3 is a vertical line. So in this case, they can still form the table as before. With values x and y, okay, like this, and find out, for different values of x what is y, or for different values of y what is x. But obviously here x is 3, so x does not change. So x is always 3 for any value you choose for y. You choose 2, you choose 1, you choose -5, always x is 3. So if you plot these points here, you'll find them here on this line, and then you connect them, it's a vertical line. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you, this is not a problem. When you have just one variable, it's not a problem. This is an equation. You can graph it as a line. If you remember this special case, you can graph it. If you don't remember, then just follow the steps of some points and connect them together. Okay? And it's dotted because there is no equal. The second step, as usual, is that I have to make some test point. So I'm going to just test 0 and 0 also, because 0 and 0 is far away from the line. Okay, 0 and 0. That means x is 0 and y is 0. Okay, I don't have a place for y, but I have a place for x. So I'm just going to put 0 here, bigger than 3. Is 0 bigger than 3? No, that's also false. Okay, that means this point is not part of the solution. The other is part of the solution. So you should shade the other part. The solution is this part. This part is solution, for this inequality. Okay? Any question about that? So I just followed the steps. I didn't do anything special here. Even though it's a special case, even though you really don't need all these steps, because it just makes sense. Look at this. X is greater than 3. X is bigger than 3. Where is 3? 3 is here. This is x. This is 3. Bigger means to the right. This is to the right. That's it. Just a simple common sense. You don't need to follow any of these steps. But just in case if you feel you get lost, then you can follow these steps. Okay? But let us do some training on this and see if you really can do it without all these steps. How about if you graph x bigger than -5? Bigger than or equal to -5. Where is it going to be? Where is x equal -5? Where is -5? -5 is here, right?
Left, yes.
Okay. Now, how about this greater than?
Line.
Yeah, so I'm going to have a line. Is that straight line or straight line, right? Solid line. Okay, so I'm going to have a solid line here, like this. Okay, and then I should have shading on the right, on the left. On the right, because this is bigger. I want my solution to be bigger. Bigger means to the right. So that means I have to shade all this. Clear now?
Yes.
Okay, let's do another one. Okay, how about if x, smaller than 5? Yeah, you can do the steps if you want, but no need for that because this is very easy. No need for this. It's okay, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, where is x equal to 5? 5 is here. Yeah, you don't need any steps here. Where is x equal to 5? Where is smaller? To the right or to the left? To the left. So it means you need to shade this, right? Okay, if you shade this, this line will be dotted or solid. Why I made it dotted like this? Because there is no equal. Because there is no equal. Okay, how about the y? How about the y? What if y, let's make y bigger than 2. Where is y bigger than 2? This time I'm on the y, right? Where is the 2? Up, yeah, the 2 is here. Okay, so I have somewhere here, solid line or dotted line? Dotted line, because I don't have equal. And then shading should be up or down? Should be up. This is it. Clear now, got the idea? It's very simple and doesn't need really all these tips that we did before.